just keep on doing scalping today. That is what my expectation would be, to keep on doing scalping. If I see lower price limits, that is anywhere around 37,500. This was the first area, right? 37,600 to 37,400. This is one big range of candle which I would like to see. If at all prices come down to this area, then I can think about creation of buy position in Bank Nifty, right? And if at all prices they immediately go back to upper level at around like 38,200 or something, then I should be expecting prices to be giving me returns on the bull side, on the bear side, right? So 38,200 or something will be my expectation for creating of short position around the top. And the reason is basically this is the balance day. One day before there was basically a balance day which formed. After that it got the rally on the downside, but this rally on the downside that appeared in Bank Nifty, this was not carrying any volumes, which ultimately led to last 1 hour swift rally on the upside. So this swift rally on upside has also created a lot of footprints, out of which this one is clear indication that 37,600 to 400 is the one area which we can definitely look forward for creating of our buy position. And value area low as of now, Bank Nifty market profile chart indicates that we can think about creating buy on dips scenario. But sell on rise scenario, that's what market profile is indicating. But rise we might not see to be happening, because already market is opening gap down, right? First call option which I am currently looking into is basically this one, 37,500 call option. Currently the prices are coming down, let them come down as much as possible, right? This is first area of demand zone, and looking into the price section of it, this is the first area of demand zone. That's where I want to see more and more number of buyers to start coming in the market. Once the buyers they start coming in the market, I can definitely think about creating a buy position. Otherwise 37,500 put option is also not bad to buy right now, right? That's what it looks like, that 37,500 put option, it looks like good to buy right now. But I don't want to buy it on immediate basis. I want to buy call option on the dips, right? So that's the overall idea. Let the prices keep on coming down. Wow. So selling is increasing, and it is increasing a lot right now. Let the selling keep on going down like this only. I will wait. I can wait even till midday also in order to create my position. I can wait for as longer I want. But immediate basis per, I want to see rejections to be taking place in Bank Nifty. Delta numbers running right now, they are really good in Bank Nifty. Ideally this is the situation where probability for prices to fall down would be very high, but this is very important demand zone around which yesterday prices have taken support. This is historic demand zone for Bank Nifty, wherein yesterday buying actually took place. So that's where I want to see buyers to again react towards the prices, and I will be happy to take a counter trade by purchasing call options then. So that's the overall idea for me. I want to see more and more depletion in options value. As of now selling is very high, but these unusual volumes which are right now trading on the lower levels, this is kind of giving me a little bit more conviction that there might become a possibility that buyers they again push the prices back to the upper level in Bank Nifty. इवन दो प्राइसेस आर बीइंग रेंज बाउंड, टाटा मोटर्स में अभी भी लॉन्ग पोजीशन बन रही है, ये मुझे ब्रेकआउट चाहिए पहले, देन ओनली आई कैन डिसाइड अपॉन टाटा मोटर्स which side Tata Motors is going to go down. Probability right now is there that Tata Motors can go and give a breakout on upside. Tata Power is also getting a lot of long positions, and it is up by 0.64% right now. But still, for Tata Power to stay bullish today, it has to give first breakout on this upper level. So we watch out for this level first. Otherwise, this one is also getting a lot of long positions. Third one is Jindal Steel. Currently, market prices are trading at 363 and inside bar. So in case of Jindal Steel, I'll say 366 and above. You know, this is a very good area for Jindal Steel to give a breakout first. On the lower end, prices look like they are, you know, taking support around this area, and you know, on the upper end, that's what. No, it is actually a very good triangular pattern or something like that, which has got broken by Jindal Steel. So probability would be there. The prices have taken support here earlier. So let the prices give a breakout. I think this is one risky position that I have taken right now. 276 my average buy price in 37 500 call option, but I'll tell you something. This position that I have created in 37 500 call option, it is not because of you know, holding this position. You know, this position I have created with a view that if prices will be coming down in Bank Nifty again, then I will be creating a buy position in you know, Bank Nifty further. I want to add more and more quantity on the lower level. My risk area is very high. If you want to buy, you can think about buying this position probably around the lower area. जो मैंने आपको 37 400 से लेके 300 का एरिया बोला है, यहाँ पर आप डेफिनेटली सोच सकते हैं अपनी बाय पोजीशन क्रिएट करने की. रिस्क लीजिए, यहाँ पर कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, क्योंकि आपके पास रिवॉर्ड भी उस हिसाब से ही मिल जाएगा. अगर बैंक निफ्टी यहाँ पर इस एरिया में पहुँचना शुरू होता है, आप अपनी क्वांटिटी में ऐड ऑन करना, आप अपनी क्वांटिटी परचेज करना शुरू कर सकते हैं. मैंने ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी बाय कर रही है. आई हैव you know, I have got higher conviction that prices are not going to go and give a big fall today. They will, you know, move back to the upper level only, right? So although I have not got a very good price for entry in Bank Nifty, but if at all prices they come down, then I'll definitely look forward for, you know, creating buy position further. I will keep on adding on to my position further in Bank Nifty. Right, 37 500 is the call option that I have created a purchase right now. So अगर ये ऑप्शन वापस 270 से अगर ये 100 पॉइंट्स या 200 पॉइंट्स का, तो मुझे टारगेट कम से कम इसमें रखना चाहिए. 100 to 200 पॉइंट्स का मुझे टारगेट इसमें कम से कम रखना चाहिए. बट आज वेडनेसडे है, तो शायद अपर और लोअर लिमिट भी मैं डिफाइन कर देता हूँ. दैट मीन्स आज के हाईएस्ट प्राइस शुड बी माय, यू नो, टारगेट प्राइस, एंड लोवेस्ट प्राइस शुड बी माय बाइंग प्राइस. अपर एरिया में you know, it is a confirmed rejection that has taken place. Maybe market was not ready to create a bull mode at the opening bell. So let's see क्या होता है. हाउ इज निफ्टीज डेटा? निफ्टी डेटा की अगर हम बात करें सर, निफ्टी इज रनिंग बुलिश. इट माइट अगेन रीटेस्ट द हायर प्राइस लेवल्स. निफ्टी में है, यू नो, यहां पर बैठे हुए हैं बायर्स नीचे. निफ्टी हैज गॉट बायर सिटिंग. सो बैंक निफ्टी अभी हमारा 100 पॉइंट्स का मिनिमम टारगेट जो मैंने सोचा हुआ था वहाँ तक अभी तक नहीं पहुँचा है. 366 367 वहीं तक चल रहा है अभी प्राइस इसका. आई वांट टू सी टू बी हिटिंग माय फर्स्ट मिनिमम टारगेट. इफ प्राइसेस आर एबल टू ब्रेक द हाई right now, then, you know, target will definitely get hit. 354 56 57 stoppage. That's what it is happening right now. This option में शायद 470 तक भी पहुंच जाए प्राइस, depending upon, you know, how bulls and bears, conviction of bulls is required here. Just giving you one update guys. प्राइसेस ऊपर तो गए हैं, बट बाइंग बहुत बड़ी नहीं हुई है. शायद बाइंग ब्रेकआउट के बाद आए, बट बाइंग बहुत बड़ी नहीं हुई है. सो जिसको प्रॉफिट बुक करना है कर ले, मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है इसमें. संजीव मल्होत्रा, आई टुक 70 पॉइंट्स एंड एग्जिटेड. लवली सर, दोज हु हैव बुक्ड प्रॉफिट, दैट्स लवली सर. चलिए मैं अपनी पोजीशन को ओपन रखूंगा और ओवरऑल my total profit right now, it is running around 7,500, 8,200 or something. So that's my total running profit. So let's see how good Bank Nifty will be giving me returns today. Alright, and मैं अपनी पोजीशन को एग्जिट तब करूँगा जब मेरा रिस्क रिवॉर्ड रेशियो अचीव हो जाएगा, या फिर आई विल कीप ऑन फॉलोइंग व्हाट आई हैव डिजाइंड फॉर माई सेल्फ, फॉर माई ट्रेड. अगर अभी के अभी ब्रेकआउट आ जाता है ऊपर तो दैट विल बी ग्रेट. अगर अभी बैंक निफ्टी में 342 344 यहाँ पर अभी प्राइस चल रहा है, right now itself if I see breakout to be coming on upside, then that will be great for me. I'll book the profit accordingly in Bank Nifty. 369, 71, 72, 79, 82, 10,000 running profit. All right, 82, 82, come on, more. I want to see breakout now to be happening. 394. Okay, so my half of my quantity I have already booked in Bank Nifty, and let me see if I can book more quantity. Let's say 376 or 382 if the prices are coming more. 377. So last lot is also booked. 381, 88, 91. Okay, there you go, 10,600 profit, and one more lot is remaining, that is 37,300 call option, which is currently running with a profit of 531. So in total I am now running with a profit of 15,300 in the morning drift. That's a good efficiency. Okay, so thank you guys for giving your time and listening to me patiently, and making money in the morning drift.